Hi, this is Judge Sisko. Do I have Ms. Steiger present?
Yes.
Hello. Hello, good morning. Can you turn on your video or ask someone to help turn on the video?
Just a second.
Sure. Oh, now the video's on. Where'd she go? Okay. Okay.
Oh, you're good. Thank you. Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Steiger? Correct?
Hello?
You're Charmaine Steiger?
Yes.
Okay, very good. The video is on, so we're going to bring in our jury, and then I'm going to have the clerk swear you in, and then we will begin with your testimony. Okay, let's go ahead and bring in the jury.
Yes.
Your Honor, I believe that the witness is requesting that the media not.
Broadcast her identity. Okay, ask the media not to broadcast her identity.
I already have.
Pardon me?
All rise.
It's okay, it's fine. Right, don't show the screen, right. They know what that means. It's okay. It's okay. It's going forward from this moment forward. All right, welcome back, members of the jury. So when we broke yesterday, we had one. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
That's
no,
right. Okay. So yesterday, when we recessed, we had a witness on the stand, but due to scheduling issues, we have to call another witness out of turn. All right. So I believe Rashad Murphy is calling Charmaine Steiger, correct?
That is correct.
All right, very good. Ms. Steiger, please raise your right hand to be sworn.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this class will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You may proceed, Mr. Hernandez.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ma'am, could you state your name, please?
Charmaine Steiger.
And Ms. Steiger, I believe you're in custody in jail in the Duval County Jail in Jacksonville?
Yes.
And are you in jail for a violation of probation?
Yes.
And are you scheduled to be released in the next few weeks, sometime in June?
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. Steiger, do you know the defendant, Rashad Murphy?
Yes.
And how long have you known him?
Since we were teenagers.
And how would you describe your relationship? Are you a romantic relationship? Are you his fiancée?
Yes.
And you've known each other since you were teenagers. Would that be over 15 years?
Yes.
And do you have any children together?
Yes. We have 4 children.
I'm sorry?
Yes, we have 4 children.
4 children. Now, how would you describe Mr. Murphy, Rashad Murphy, as a father and in your relationship with him?
He's a good man. He's a good father. He's a super father. Meaning he's there through any and everything with his children. He never leaves his children's side. Anything that they need, anywhere that they have to go, he's there. He's a good man. He's a gentleman. And just from this situation happening, it's, it's a situation that my children have to go through each and every day. And this pain here is just causing them to not be focused on the things that they need to be focused on. And everything has been stripped away from them.
Okay, so Ms. Steiger, I just need you just to answer the question that is asked, okay? Mr. Hernandez, go ahead.
Thank you. Do you love Rashad Murphy?
Yes, I do.
Do his children love him, Rashad Murphy?
Of course they do.
And you said he was a super father. Did he participate in their activities and help raise them?
Yes, he did.
Now, I'd like to go back a minute. How is it that, do you recall how you first got together with Rashad Murphy? How did you get to meet him?
I met him at a football game.
And were you together pretty much the entire time after you started your relationship?
Yes.
Back in, starting I believe in 2018, did several members of his family pass away?
Yes, they did.
Now, did his mother and cousin pass away in 2018?
Yes.
And his grandmother in 2019?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Was Rashad the pallbearer for all three of those people that I just mentioned, family members, mother, cousin, and grandmother?
Yes.
Can you describe to the jury how you observed how that affected those experiences? How did that affect Mr. Murphy?
As any other person would have lost a loved one, he took it really bad.
To your knowledge, were they all buried next to each other?
Yes.
And are you aware if there was any type of vandalization of those graves?
Yes, I'm aware of it.
And how did that affect Rashad Murphy?
He was pretty hurt by it.
What do you know about Rashad's childhood? His father. Let's start with his father.
What about his father?
Was his father part of his life?
No, not them. No, not really.
Are you aware that, or was Rashad ever placed in foster care?
Yes, I'm aware.
And what about his mother? What type of mother do you have knowledge of was his mother to Rashad?
She was a great mother.
Pardon?
She was a great mother.
Do you know if Rashad is a religious person?
No.
When you and him were together, was he employed?
Yes.
Did he provide for you and your children together?
Yes.
Now, after the death of his mother, Did you and Rashad become the legal guardian for Rashad's siblings, his brothers and sisters?
Yes, we did.
You've already described him as a super father. Can you describe what type of brother he was to his siblings?
He was an excellent big brother to his siblings.
Who named the children you both share together?
He did.
What are their names?
Major, Prosper, Davion, and Gabrielle.
Would coaching the kids in sports be one of his favorite things to do?
Yes.
Would cooking for you and the children be another thing that he enjoyed doing?
Yes.
Would it be accurate to say that Rashad loves helping those in need?
Yes.
Was there a time that Rashad worked at Walmart?
Yes.
And was there a time while working at Walmart, that he saw a man sleeping at the bus stop after you picked him up from work?
Yes.
Do you recall what Rashad did?
I don't recall. I don't remember.
Okay. In 2023, a day before Thanksgiving, do you recall if Rashad was working for Amazon?
Yes.
Was someone waiting for him to check out of work?
Yes, to my knowledge.
Do you recall what happened that night?
Yes, our house was shot up after we left work.
Did Rashad quit his job after that?
Yes, he did.
What about Murphy and Sons? Did he work for them?
Yes.
What is Murphy and Sons?
A business with his grandfather.
And did he work for them to also help you and your children financially?
Yes, he did.
Has his grandfather passed away since he was arrested in this case?
Yes.
Did Rashad ever propose to you?
Yes, he did.
And were you and Rashad planning on getting married before his arrest in this case?
Yes.
Now, I asked you, and I want to make sure, do you know if Rashad is a follower of Jesus Christ?
Yes, he is.
Well, he said, the question was originally if he was religious, and he's no, but yes, she's amending. I didn't understand. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Is Rashad a follower of Jesus Christ?
Yes, he is.
Did he make sure that you followed the faith as a family?
Yes, he did.
Are you aware that he taught Bible studies since he's been arrested and to other inmates since he's been in jail on this case?
Yes.
If Mr. Rashad Murphy is sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole, would you continue to have contact with Mr. Murphy?
Yes, I will.
Will you visit him in prison?
Yes, I will.
Will you make sure that his children, your children, would remain or still be able to have contact with Rashad Murphy?
Yes.
Is Rashad, would you describe him as goal-oriented?
As what?
Goal-oriented.
Yes.
If I may have a moment, Your Honor.
Yes.
No other questions, Your Honor. Oh, 1 second, Your Honor. Before I finish, I just want to have you elaborate, if you can, a little bit more about activities when Mr. Murphy was not in custody and serving as a in-person father to his children. Can you describe what activities he participated in with his children?
Football games, basketball games, soccer games, pageants for the girls, father and daughter dance, all kind of activities.
How did Rashad's taking in and his siblings after his mother died, how did that affect you and your lives?
It didn't affect us. We just know that the kids needed support, and we took care of them like they were our own kids.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Any questions?
No questions, Judge.
Okay. All right, thank you, Ms. Steiger. Your testimony is now concluded, okay? Oh, wait, sorry, we do have a few more questions. One moment. I believe the counsel for Davion Murphy has a couple questions for you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know Davion Murphy?
Yes,
And how is it that you know him?
he's Rashad's cousin.
And what's your, can you describe Davion as a person?
I can't because I haven't got to know him. He's been in prison
Okay.
for a long
Alright.
time.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, any redirect? Oh, okay. Okay, very good. All right, thank you, Ms. Steiger. Now your testimony is concluded, so you can go ahead and end the Zoom on your part, all right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And is that it as far as Zoom witnesses this morning? Yes? Okay. All right, so let's get, Dr., is it